5 seconds to go. My government will not be satisfied with mere poverty alleviation and commits itself to the goal of poverty elimination with a firm belief that the first claim on development belongs to the poor. The government will focus its attention on those who need the basic necessities of life most urgently. It will take necessary steps to provide security in its entirety to all citizens through empathy, support, and empowerment. Containing food inflation will be the topmost priority for my government. There would be an emphasis on improving the supply side of various agricultural products. My government will take effective steps to prevent hoarding and black marketing. It will reform the public distribution system, incorporating best practices from the states. My government is alert about the possibility of a subnormal monsoon this year, and contingency plans are being prepared. Despite more than two-thirds of our people living in rural areas, we have not been able to provide adequate public amenities and livelihood opportunities to them. My government is committed to improving the quality of life in our villages through empowered Panchayati Raj institutions. A substantial part of investment will focus on creating community assets and improving basic infrastructure such as roads, power, and drinking water. My government will strive to end the rural urban divide by providing urban amenities to rural areas while preserving the ethos of the villages. Agriculture is the source of livelihood for majority of our people. In the recent past, our farmers have been under severe stress with hopelessness, driving some of them to suicides. My government is committed to reversing this unfortunate trend. It will increase public and private investment in agriculture sector. Steps will be taken to convert farming into a profitable venture through science and technology. My government will address issues pertaining to pricing and procurement of agricultural produce, crop insurance, and post harvest management. Productivity of animal husbandry will be increased. Existing cooperative sector laws will be reviewed to remove anomalies and lacunae. My government is committed to giving high priority to water security. It will complete the irrigation projects on priority. There is a need for seriously considering all options, including linking of rivers for ensuring optimal use of our water resources to prevent the recurrence of floods and drought. We will nurture water conservation and groundwater recharge. India is the world's oldest civilization. Today, it is also a country with the largest population of the youth. We must equip and nurture our youth with the right kind of education, skill set, and opportunity to reap this demographic dividend. My government will formulate a national education policy aimed at meeting the challenges posed by lack of quality research and innovation in our educational institutions. We will set up IITs and IIMs in every state. my government will strive to break the barriers between formal education and skill development and put in place a mechanism to give academic equivalence to vocational qualifications. The children and youth of the country need avenues of recreation that develop them and keep them fit